Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop spam emails in Gmail. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and search for Gmail. Once you're on the Gmail website, sign into your account. Now you'll see all of your emails listed. Let's say I have a suspicious email from VideoGen and it looks like spam. Go ahead and click on that email to open it. At the top of Gmail, you'll see an icon with a stop sign and an exclamation mark. This is the Report Spam button. Tap on that and Gmail will automatically move that email to the spam folder. This also helps Gmail recognize similar emails as spam in the future. Another useful step is blocking the sender completely. To do this, click on the three dots menu in the top right corner of the email. From the drop-down, select Block VideoGen. Once you confirm, any future emails from this sender will be blocked and will never appear in your inbox again. And that's it. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Gmail tips.